Yeah, now I'm walking through the jungle again. Nice. Hopefully that we can get back to the bottom of the mountain before raining, so that it's not slippery when we go downhill, walk downhill. Yeah guys, because I'm carrying more weight, like you see, and go back down, it kind of use it doesn't use too much energy, but I need a break, which is I have to use my knee and the tendons try to stop the force of the gravity when going down. So now it's kind of hurts my knee a little bit, but it's okay. I walk slower than normal for a moment, but just keep going, and I will be there. Let's go. Boring, so better try to talk along the way to keep up the spirit, keep up the momentum. Just try to be busy, talk with nature. Just keep going. Awesome. See, a bit steep. Let's go. Well, the hardest thing I would do of the exercise is running and walking about 25 kilometers. And yeah, that is really amazing. But when at night, my muscle kind of hurts. But this time, I know the secret ingredient. Try to cool my muscle down. So let's go. See you guys along the way and at the bottom of the mountain, safe and sound. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe. Yeah guys, look at this steep on the way back. Wow. Incredible steep. And look at this rope to have up secure the step to safety. Yeah, we'll see you guys at the bottom, guys. Safe and sound. Wow, look at that incredible view, guys. Yeah, guys. Try a journey down together. super steep. This is how I get down. Hold on to the rope. Get down one step at a time. Yeah. Awesome. Look at that steep guy. Let's go. Yeah, now I'm at the bamboo forest, about to arrive at the next stop. Look at that sky. Hopefully that it's not going to rain anytime soon, so that we can get to the bottom, safe and sound, and easily to walk without raining, right? Yeah. Let's enjoy nature view, guys. Look at this incredible pathway back down. Thank you, God. Perfect. A bit slippery because of small rock. Yeah, finally. I think we arrived at the next station. Some drink and for some rest before going down to the next stop. Yeah. Finally. Yeah, guys. Now I'm on my way to the next stop, which is the mini tractor that we get to our mini bus or mini vans. Yeah, now I'm walking through bamboo forest. Nice. The road is much better than the road getting to the top, and it's much easier to walk, I guess. If your feet and legs are performed properly, it should be easy to get to the bottom. It's okay. Yeah, guys. Now we are nearly arrived at the next stop, waiting for our mini tractor. So let's continue to the next location. Continue walk. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Đăng bản. Yeah, walking slow doesn't help, so why not just try walking faster and wear my calf backwards like a gangster. Maybe that give me power to walk forwards. Yeah, so let's go, guys. Yeah, 1.4 kilometers, so maybe another 1 kilometer to go. So let's go. Walking like a target, like a walker like a target. Walker like a target, walker like a target. Let's go. Nice. Let's go down the steep. So sweat. I hear a mini tractor, so we are close. Normally this way is a lot of water, but maybe there's no rain yet. So continue, guys. បងចាំក្រុមមួយទៀតមែនបង Yeah, look at my sweat, guys. Wow. Let's go. What a good target. Yeah, I created a new quote. If you can't walk, just run. Run as fast as you can. And you will get to your destination. Regardless how you feel about it. Yeah. Like a target. Yeah, because of the small tractor that drive us by. Look at the damage of the roads. We walk sideways or in the middle of the road. Nice. I think after this small, like a small water rivers, will arrive at my mini tractor. Yeah, finally. All right, guys. Beautiful. This is what I can have to my muscle down. Let's go.